Krishna Sangvi, CIO Equities, Mahindra Manulife Investment Management. Mahindra Manulife is also our gold sponsor. I welcome sir on the stage for giving us the presentation.
Hi, good evening everyone. I know financial planning is a must, psychology is a must. Unfortunately, Saturday evening, I don't know. Saturday evening, 4:30, 5 o'clock. So this slide is actually, partly sponsored by our training in mutual fund industry. Everything has to have a disclaimer. And partly it's sponsored by my sales team. They warned me that, don't speak anything which is coming from that book, Psychology of Money. Everybody is aware of what psychology is, what financial planning is. So try to make it slightly simple, slightly easy. So be aware that I am aware, everybody knows whatever I'm going to talk. Just that trying to put in a different perspective, same thoughts, same ideas. Hopefully it clicks, hopefully each of you can expand in your future endeavor with your clients, with your partners, etc. What is financial planning and psychology? Some key themes. Essentially, you are acting today for a future goal. Unfortunately, goal is either unknown or it's open-ended. It's adequate, perhaps the risk framework chosen decides that. It's finally a physical act and the outcome is quantifiable. What I mean by unknown, I want to plan for my child's education at a particular university somewhere in the world. All I know is my current estimate of that fees for that particular course 10 years, 15 years down the line. I don't know what's the real fee. So the outcome is unknown beyond a point. I can do all my extra IRR saying, okay, 12% equity return, 15%, whatever model I can put, but I don't know the real cost of that particular education. So that's why it's unknown. Open-ended, I don't know which year the kid actually finally will decide to go for education. What's psychology? Psychology is nothing but our human element on accepting the outcome. You do it, you regret it, you envy, and envy is the biggest part. That famous ad, owner's envy, neighbor's pride, yeah, owner's pride, neighbor's envy, whatever, the message is simple. Envy is the killer. If you have an envy, it creates a problem because you basically fail to enjoy what belongs to you, and that creates the biggest problem. Last part of outcome is actually varies with time. What you wanted, like each of us in this room, when we would have been maybe 20 years old, we would have thought, I want to retire with, let's say, 1 crore rupees or 2 crore or 5 or 10. The problem is when you reach that first milestone of 5, the new number becomes 10, 15, 20, and it's a perpetually changing number, so it varies with time. So net psychology is an emotional outcome. Financial planning is a physical act, and that's where we need to mix and marry. I've tried to take some very basic examples. I know some of them might hit you saying, "Ye to ekdam simple hai," but that's what reality of life is, unfortunately. Trying to connect psychology with travel. All of you would have traveled from some distance somewhere to come here. Sports is the flavor. Football, I'm sure everybody is waiting to go home for that 8:30 event today. Socials, it's what we are here. There's something called respect the process, accept outcome. I'm not read, but that's what broadly the key slides here are. First is financial planning is nothing but travel, verbatim same. You start from your home, like today everybody is right now at BSc, you plot your way to airport, depending on where you want to go, I'm plotting airport. You start with 45-minute journey, and you may not reach in 45 minutes, you may reach in 40 or 50, or maybe 1 hour, 1.5 hours, depending on how the traffic decides to move that day. So what do? If you happen to complete your 45 minutes and you are still stuck at Bandra, do you get down in the car and start walking? Answer is no, right? You wait for your report. That's financial planning. Just because 4 saal mein mera paisa double nahi hua doesn't mean I exit. I have to wait. It might be 5th year. Sometimes you reach in 35 minutes instead of 45. What does it mean again? Simple. Get out, please. Your target is met. Don't wait. Don't wait for a continuous compounding after you meet your target. Airport पहुंच गया तो उतरना है भाई, वरना ट्रेन में जाना पड़ेगा, right? There is a nice item called, this beautiful item called, I think pointer. 45 minutes by 85. This is very important for people like you. If you pay toll, you reach faster. And that's what, all wealth managers are for. You guys are charging a toll to your clients so that they reach faster. Try connect. It's not something different. There's a choice of route. All of us go for some jungle safari, right? All of us would have gone to some part of the world. The best part in jungle safari is when you start the journey, there are some routes mapped. Route number 1, 2, 3, 4, and the guide decides आज कौन सा route लेना है. No one knows where the tiger is. So tiger Google पे नहीं मिलते, right? You can't search a tiger on Google, but yeah, you have to go and start the route. Now, same day in the same hotel, when you meet some people in the evening, some guy will complain, "अरे tiger नहीं मिला." Somebody will say, "3 tiger मिले." Now that's the choice of route. You don't know finally end game कहाँ मिलने वाला है in terms of your destination of investment, but yeah, you have to choose a route, and the moment you choose, accept the outcome. Destination, time to reach. I just mentioned about need to get out. Speed and safety is very critical. You go to Bombay Pune highway and 80 kilometers is the average speed, but many junction tells you 30, 40, 50. Why? Because that's the area where you better go with 30, 40, 50. Financial market, I can use 2 examples. One is valuation. So when valuations are high, please reduce your speed, reduce your risk in the driving process with investment. Other example is leverage. Speed is nothing but leverage. You trying to accelerate much faster, you want to reach much faster. When you do leverage for your financial planning, 80-90% probability that you will actually end up in a situation where जो है वो भी चला जाएगा and नया तो आएगा नहीं. So that's this, I think travel time, contra, these are simple examples, but the same journey, if you change your travel time by 2 hours, instead of 4 o'clock, you leave at 2 o'clock, you'll reach much faster. That's, it says that, okay, if you are slightly contra, you are slightly early, but you'll reach your destination with some comfort. Sports, 2 examples, you can choose any. One is golf, other is football. Football is a flavor. Now, what's the difference between the 2 games? In football, your primary aim is to beat the opponent, because that's why you move and win the cup. In golf, your primary game is to complete the course, right? You don't care, somebody else does slightly more or slightly less than you. Marathon, you leave the top 20 people running in marathon in terms of that aspiration dream. Everybody else comes only for one thing: I want to complete the marathon. Either I do it in 2.5 hours, 3.5 hours, 4 hours, doesn't really matter to people, right? So that's, pick your game, outcome is with you. Socials, all of us do one of those things, either on some picture on the right, someone left, top, depending on what you want. You choose. There is rum, gin, whiskey, there is whiskey with pure water, ice, whatever, but net, you get your kick from what you want and you accept the part of choice. Process versus outcome, skill and luck. Luck and skill, short term, long term, it matters. Nice word in life for financial planners, JOMO. Joy of missing out is a must. It need not be always FOMO. I know what I don't want, so I'm okay not to worry about the outcome of that. That's JOMO for me. Just, I think, 3 minutes more. Financial market mantra is very important. There are items in markets available which give you quick returns, items in market which are good quality, and some which are cheap valuation. There's a nice interlinkage. Very rare that all 3 of them meet in the same circle. So on an average, what is quick return and cheap valuation typically has a problem, it won't be cheap. Right? I mean, the intersection point is basically the deciding factor, what it doesn't meet. Sometimes will not be quick returns, but it's a cheap and good quality item. In terms of item being, can be anything, can be stock, can be debt markets, can be art, can be whatever you decide to invest in. And something which is quick return and good quality, but typically it will not be a. So I think that's a message. Market teaches all 3 of things. We have to basically play there, and that's where advising to clients matters. They बहुत पैसा बन रहा है तो संभल के रहो भाई. This is mission impossible in life. Nobody is ever happy with the amount of money he or she has, right? So this is starting with school life, high school, college, and life, but that's reality. If you replace those words with the amount of money which you want to put as your first target, second target, third, and hopefully fourth, there is never enough. So somewhere is Jeevan hai, is Jeevan ka, is a nice. We have to learn to balance emotions. There's this fear and greed, the most unique word in our markets, which everybody uses, everybody is aware day in and out. But the problem with this particular item is that we have to learn to implement. So there is, this is a nice movie, and I'm going to play a clip after this. All of us would have seen the movie called Welcome. Perhaps to my mind, one of the scene in that movie explains this fear and greed balancing our emotions, live in a situation. I know it's a movie, but still I think all of us have a right to, let's say, enjoy. So that happens in financial planning. What you want may not be achieved. So we have to wait. We have to wait for this, particular video to play. Video is playing. Unfortunately, audio is missing. But this is how it goes. It says that there is equity, there is debt, and life swings. And if this when we see this video, you'll realize that people rush on both sides. So what happens? Some smart guy somewhere in the movie is realizing that अगर मैं वहाँ गया तो वो पूरा building गिर जाएगा. So he wants to run to other side to provide the balance. And one smart guy goes, two people think, अरे ये smart है मैं भी जाता हूँ, right? That's what happens in markets day in and out. That's where for every stock in the market which is traded, there is a buyer and there is a seller, right? Buyer सोचता है कि ये लूँगा तो पैसा बनेगा. Seller सोचता है कि अगर ये बेच दिया तो मेरा पैसा बचेगा, right? I mean that's how the emotions play out on an average every time. That's where we have to see this. I think I'm sure this movie is worth the watch. Let's play it out in terms of how the emotions get played in that 20-30 second video, and this is what we have to do. There is equity and debt as a primary asset class. If I move to debt as an asset, there is credit risk and there is interest rate risk you play. If you go to equity, which is what this video is showing, that happened in market. Everybody went to growth side of the market. Market became overbought. In our language, euphoria. Obviously, market doesn't crash. It goes into a different spectrum. House can crash there, but not the market. But you realize that no money to be made for next 1, 2, 3 years in this particular segment of market. So that's a broad, I think, thoughts on financial planning. Please try to connect to as much common sense as possible. I have a last slide which I would ideally like to play. So whatever I said, obviously thank you is the first part. The second part is more important, theory versus practice. So two takeaways from my side. One is for each of you. Whatever I've said is just pure theory. How to practice honestly lies with each of you. I don't think I can do much. From my side, I can tell you, as a fund manager, finally we are focused on playing football and not golf. Golf example analogy is meant for individuals where I have my aspiration, I don't have a peer. When I am a mutual fund manager managing money for investors, obviously our focus is to play football, which means that we have to win. We don't have to have a single target of playing the golf. So that's mainly from our end. Thank you.